Aloha, and I'm Michelle for Hawaiian Canoe Club here in Lahaina. Today's regatta is the Maui Championship, and it's hosted by Lahaina Canoe Club. And we have 4 manini crews, and then we also have all our regular kids crews going in. Over on the keiki division, we've been very strong, as well as the adult division. We do have a lot of first and second seeds for the women. Well, actually, for all our crews. Yeah, we're doing fine. We do have we have 35 crews qualified for states, and we're hoping to get a little bit more if we can buy some lanes.
This is our the last state regatta for this season. We're here to try our best for the kids here paddling. I'm just so proud to be a part of this Hana Canoe Club and a part of this event that's happening here today. The Hana Canoe Club for our junior kids, they're doing good. In fact, this is the most kids I've coached in my entire life. But I'm really enjoying it. Our 14 boys had a chance to go to the States, but they didn't quite make it. And our 18 girls, they're seated 3rd place. But we tried, and hopefully we can, good luck next year again. This is Coach Nelson and Hawaii on TV. Aloha and hui ho.
The Maui Championship, man.
We're gonna try our best out there. Hawaiian Canoe Club!